Hi, I'm Kirsty and I'm here to show you the specific features that your in-home display, or IHD, has for pay-as-you-go customers. Your IHD can help you manage your heating and hot water usage and spending. As a pay-as-you-go customer, you need to top up your account to pay for your heating and hot water. You're charged in real time for the heating and hot water that you use. You'll also need to pay a fixed charge every day, even if no heating and hot water is used. If your credit runs out, your heating and hot water supply could be shut off. If you want to understand the different ways of topping up your pay-as-you-go balance, watch our video on topping up as a pay-as-you-go customer. You can use your IHD to check how much credit is in your account by pressing Heat on the IHD main menu. Here you can see your credit balance and when this was last updated. You can also see an estimate of how many days this credit will last. This is based on your current heating and hot water usage. Using this estimate, you can judge when you next need to top up and by how much. Remember, in winter months and during colder weather, you'll use more heating and hot water. This means that your heating and hot water usage will change throughout the year. On the left-hand side of the IHD screen, you can see the last 5 credit top-ups that you've made to help you keep track of your spending. Now I'm going to show you what happens on your IHD if you run out of credit. When your credit drops below a certain level, you'll receive a low credit warning, like this. If you don't top up and your credit runs out completely, your IHD will show a 0 credit warning, like this, stating that your heating and hot water supply is now off. On both the low credit and 0 credit warnings, you have the option to activate emergency credit by pressing the e-credit button here. When you activate emergency credit, you'll receive a £5 credit loan from us. This loan gives you time to top up and will prevent your heating and hot water supply from turning off. You'll repay the £5 of emergency credit when you next top up. The main home screen will show you when emergency credit is activated, and it will also let you know how much of the emergency credit you have left. If you run out of emergency credit, your heating and hot water supply could be shut off. You can choose to activate an alarm when you receive low and 0 credit warnings by going to Settings on the main menu and making sure the icon next to sound says on. If it says off, press it to activate the alarm. Friendly Credit protects your heating and hot water supply if your pay-as-you-go balance runs out during times when shops are typically closed. You're protected by Friendly Credit between 7 PM and 8:30 AM on weekdays and at any time over weekends and bank holidays. If your credit runs out during one of these times, you'll receive an alert to say that Friendly Credit is now active, and an F symbol will appear on your IHD. Once the Friendly Credit period ends, you'll receive another alert. Any credit that you use during the Friendly Credit period will need to be repaid when you next top up. Thanks for watching. I hope this video has helped you get the most out of your IHD as a pay-as-you-go customer. If you have any questions, please consult the in-home display and pay-as-you-go guide in your welcome pack. Alternatively, you can contact our customer care team. They'll be happy to help you.